Hey everybody, Josh RV Nerd here, Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan, and quick little PSA at the request of our service team. I don't think everybody quite understands the difference between like what is and what isn't a warrantable item. So, manufacturer warranties cover manufacturer's defects. So, let's say it's not common, but let's say something went wrong with that Montana back there. Keystone will take care of that. We act as the facilitator between you and the manufacturer, basically as the dealership, which is another interesting thing. Technically speaking, like most dealerships sell this RV, technically this is being sold as is. We, the dealership, are not providing the warranty on it. Rather, it is the manufacturer who provides the guarantee, not the dealership. So the RV has a warranty, but we are selling it as is as a dealership. Now, if a dealer says, no, you have coverage on this, that means that they have added a service contract to it. If you're not paying extra for it separately, if there's not a separate line item for it, then it can be called a warranty. If you are paying extra for it, that is called an extended service contract. There's very important legal reasons you understand the difference between those things. But back to the topic at hand. So, if the thing fails under the warrantable period, you contact us. We act as a facilitator, basically medium. We get that handled for you. But if you damage your RV or Mother Nature damages your RV, that's not warranty. That is either insurance or straight out, you're going to have a repair bill due. If you leave the awning out on your RV and the wind takes it, that's not warranty. That's not manufacturer's defect. That is, unfortunately, user error, ladies and gentlemen. This is a conversation most places won't have with you. I don't mind having these little harder chats with you because these are important things to understand. And from what I've seen recently here, there's been this real sudden influx of people who don't understand what is and what is not warranty. So if you don't take care of your seals and there's a leak, that's not insurance. But if Mother Nature takes off your awning, that's insurance. If a tree falls on your RV, that's insurance. If some idiot is texting and runs through an intersection and blasts through the side of your RV, that's insurance. You get the idea. You know, if your personal error or neglect, whether it's intentional or not, if those cause issues, it's not warranty, it's not insurance, it's just gonna be a repair bill. Then there's things like people say, well, I got the extended service plan. It's still the same thing. You still have to take care of your RV. If you've done that and it fails for some reason, that's a warrantable item. I think you're getting the idea here. I've probably given you enough examples by now. I know you're pretty smart folks, but it just really surprised me how many of this I've seen in our service manager. I walked into our conference room today, and folks, that's a tough job, okay? She was just sitting there on the desk, taking a breather in our little conference room, just had her hands on her head, just taking a breather, because she had 3 of these rapid fire with people who do things then like leave us negative reviews because they left their awning out and they say, well, we won't stand behind the trailer. None of that is correct. But those are the kind of things that pop up in those RV like Google review scores and Facebook reviews every now and then. Read those things, read them, okay? And I think usually you can get a pretty good beat on the tone and the atmosphere of the writer of that. We're not perfect. We've earned some negative reviews. That has happened. We have made mistakes. We have had oversights. I've never claimed we were perfect. I've never claimed otherwise. But folks, at some point, we all have to be a little bit responsible for ourselves and our investments. And I've had people say, stop calling it an investment. Not every investment returns money. This is an investment that could return utility, entertainment, function, value in different ways. An investment is just something that you spend money on now to give you value of any variety later. So hopefully you appreciate that information. If you appreciate little talks like this, definitely hit the little subscribe button here. Follow us along here at Haylett RV, and we'd be more than happy to give you some more info like this. So as always, take care, stay safe, have fun, and happy Haylett camping, everyone.